To be honest with you, I have been using HelloTalk for like about a year. When I start using HelloTalk, I increase my vocabulary tremendously.
Are you in voice rooms or groups, or are you strictly using the live streams?
To tell you the truth, I usually while away in the live stream because I don't prefer the voice room. When I enter the voice room, usually a lot of people speak in the same time and I get frustrated. But in the live stream, people like the live streamer like you conduct the live stream in a good way.
Yeah, giving people chances is sometimes difficult.
Yeah, because to be honest with you, I like organization. I like to be more organized.
Believe it or not, I'm a very disorganized person.
When I started my day, I to be organized, but like I start reading and writing, I don't keep up all the time to be organized.
It takes up a lot of your day to keep things organized, so I just leave everything messy.
Yeah, because what is the color of this?
Dark gray?
No, it's gray. And the gray means you're not to be serious all the time. Because a lot of people, they say white, black. But there is something in the middle between the black and the white is the gray. You don't need to be more serious all the time and analyzes everything around you. You see?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Sometimes people are either too happy or too serious. You gotta be somewhere in the middle, right?